Hi everyone, so I'm here at the Chatan Brewery. I've just had a really nice cruise and I'm just going to have some of the local seafood here. And the first time I've done this, but I'm going to choose a lobster.
Okay.
So can you explain what happens? So next door we have Atlantic lobster, but here we have fresh lobster. This is the first time I've done this because I always think kawaiso, you know, poor things, but I do love lobster. So I'm going to choose actually this one. He looks very donkey.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one right there, right?
Yeah. So what we're going to do is so you're going to fish the lobster, are you? You're going to fish him? I'm so sorry, buddy. I'm going to eat you now. So sorry.
Oh, yes, very. Oh,
Wow, I picked a good one.
oh,
I think he's very dainty.
Genki. Oh, oh boy. Oh, Genki. Come on. Oh my.
He's going to be cooked now. Sumimasen, ちょっとビデオいいですか? すみません. Memory. 初めて。 Are you gonna boil him? Boiling?
グリルグリル
You're gonna grill him. すみません、私は YouTuber です。
あ
YouTuber. Culture Cave. Culture Cave.
カーチャー系
Yes, you can check it.
あ、大丈夫
This lobster is from this bay, right? Fishing here, nearby.
あー、そうなんだ
Sorry.
はい
Lobster, ここからです。
あー
Lobster.
え
Fishing here.
ー、業
この辺ね。
あー、違います取り持ってきてもらってる
どこからですか？
業者の方が持ってくる業者の方業者って何て言うんですか
業者。
ショップ
Oh, lobster shop. I understand. 沖縄の lobster ですね。
あ
わからない。
ー多分違うと思います
美味しそう。はい、ありがとうございます。すみません、またね。Okay, I'm gonna find my seat now. Nothing outside is okay. Outside is okay. Hi, I don't know. すいません。はい。ありがとうございます。Okay, so I'm here at the Chatan Brewery and I eat many foods, but honestly speaking, seeing that lobster just being killed in front of me, I think was necessary to see what we do as meat eaters, but I do feel awful. I feel awful seeing that poor little thing die. Sure, it's going to be very delicious, but it has actually made me think very, very differently about eating food that's killed in inhumane ways. It's very, very fresh, but yeah, it's I feel really sorry for that poor thing being cut open in that way. Anyways, this is the nature of this kind of seafood, but it's good to put this stuff out there. And you're watching the Culture Cave, and I'm here at the Chatan Brewery. It's a beautiful view. We've just had a really nice sunset cruise, and I'm looking forward to a nice dinner. And the view is very, very beautiful. Okay, so it's over and out from the American village in Okinawa. Bye.